Hey, how's it going, YouTube? A man with a van. Guess what we're doing today? 4 bolts here. 4 bolts off the dirty floor. I got to clean that up. It's kind of a little messy. The Torx bolts in the front are a little difficult. You have to hold on to your ratchet because it wobbles around quite a bit. But all in all, not a terrible job to get them off. Seat bolts. Lean the seat back, comes right up. And here's what we got going on. A nice swivel. Brand new swivel, a little arm there. That thing will go around 360 degrees. Lay back, go to sleep in it, stretch your legs, whatever you want to do. It's a heavy duty one too. Nice size to it. But all in all, not a terrible job for the old van. Should open up that kitchen area right here quite a little bit. I got a mess in here now, but I should right here. Back will swivel out. Kick your feet out towards the end here. And if you got some company over, sit on the edge of the bed there and have yourself a little chat, you know. All in all, not a terrible job. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I'd say, what, half an hour or something maybe? 40 minutes? All depends how the bolts, soak the bolts out. Spray some WD-40 on them. And then underneath the old seat there, you got 1 there, 2, 3, and then the 4 bolts there. You got to disconnect your seatbelt switch. Disconnect that in the front. The other plugs in on the floor there. And then, you know, sit everything down. Clean up your mess there a little bit, of course. Get all the garbage and dirt out of there. Put her back together and enjoy. Lean on back. Thanks for joining me. Come by my adventures this summer, hopefully, you know, cruise around. A man with a van. Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.